Hello. So, I have a lot of people that have totally just been teasing, and I know that they've just been teasing, but I have a lot of people that have been harassing me about the fact that they don't think I can really solve the Rubik's Cube. So, this is a Rubik's Cube that I just mixed up, I'll just mix it up a little bit for you guys. There's no rhyme or reason to this, I swear to you. If you choose not to believe me, that's on you. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys that I can solve the Rubik's Cube. And in the meantime, let's see if I can think of anything fun to tell you guys. But, man, my life's pretty boring right now. Let's see. My best friend Melissa got married, not last weekend, the weekend before this last weekend, and it was amazing and beautiful, and oh my gosh, she was gorgeous. Not that she's not gorgeous on a daily basis. I didn't think it was possible for her to be any prettier, but she somehow managed to be prettier. I don't get it. But she married an awesome guy named Chris, and I really like him, and I really like the way that he treats her. So it was a really good wedding. Let's see. My son broke his clavicle by deciding to fall off of a slide. He didn't really decide to. And it was a pretty hefty drop. So, yeah, that was an interesting day. Let's see what else has been going on. My dog Mushu is full of energy. Very full of energy. I have been working on my social media presence just for fun. I know it would be awesome to be a social media influencer. I just do not ever see that happening. So, on that note, a couple of the goals that I am working on right now are trying to get my sleep schedule better because I have let that get rotten and out of control. Trying to eat vegetables 3 times a day. Trying to exercise some more. Trying not to give myself too terribly many goals. Yeah, that's about it for my goals. Trying to think of it. I've been trying to read my Bible more and trying to pray more. Hasn't been going extremely well, but I'm trying because I know for me that having a relationship with God is the number one thing that I need to do. I totally lost track of what I was doing. There we go. So I'm just trying to get on top of and stay on top of that, and I know that that's just the number one thing that I need to do to hit my goals, is to pursue my relationship with Christ. But it's a lot easier said than done some days, that's for sure. And there you go. Completely solved Rubik's Cube and a bunch of random Stephanie talk. I hope you guys are great. I hope your goals are going great. And I'll talk to you all later. Bye.